Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error caused by PostgreSQL exception connection to localhost refused. So I am getting this error when I try to connect my Spring Boot application with my PG4 admin over here. So to solve this issue, just go to search and type services. You'll be getting the services system. Open it, and in the services you need to just scroll down to P. And here we will be having this PostgreSQL, and the application hasn't started, so you want to just click on start the service. That's it, the application has now started and it's running over here. Now again, just rerun your application, and this time you can see I'm not getting any errors and the application has started. So that's the solution, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of CRUD operations by using Spring Boot, MongoDB, Node.js, PostgreSQL, MySQL and other AI APIs as well as tools tutorials. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.